Hello, it has been a while. Here are some of the things that came in earlier this month. We have some women Panda Dunk lows. These restocked on foot sites a few times, so I managed to snag a few of them using Wrath. These also came in Jordan 4 UNCs. Anyone that had either Linear or Storm absolutely destroyed this release, so I'm really happy that I actually had both. But to be quite honest, I didn't really know how to work either of these, but I still managed to pull through with a few pairs. And of course, the Jordan 4 Unions. Won these from the Union raffle. I did not buy an invoice to get these. I made one entry and that entry hit, so I'm very thankful for that. Anyways, today we do have another dunk release. Profit margins for this really aren't that crazy. However, I will be doing something a little bit different. For this particular release, I will not be running Kylan, which is one of my usual go-to footsite bots. Instead, I will be running Ominous. Their footsite module recently came out of beta, but I haven't ran it in a while, so I am looking forward to seeing how it ends up doing for this release. So my setup is going to be Wrath and Ominous for foot sites. For Nike sneakers, I can't say the name of the bot unfortunately, but I will be running something for that. And for Shopify, I'll be using Balco.
Cadence.
Yo, it's out of stock. I didn't even get to solve any captures. Yo, I got one on Nike. Let's go. Nike sneakers. Bro.
Cadence.
I love this Nike bot. Pretty empty on foot sites still. Looks like a lot of people are having issues with Ominous. There's a bunch of people copying on Wrath, but I think I'm just getting unlucky because I haven't even carded one thing on foot sites. And I just got another one on Nike sneakers. Let's go. Well, today was a flop. I probably lost money from the residential tasks that I was running that ultimately didn't get any sneakers, but that's how it is sometimes. You cannot win them all. However, the good news is that I didn't come out empty-handed. So what went wrong? Well, long story short, Ominous didn't really work. And I find that very surprising because in the past they have absolutely crushed every single footsite release basically. Wrath only worked okay, but being that this is a low stock drop, then the chances of copying were even lower. As of right now, I'm not really sure which bot did the best. From what I'm seeing, What bot did fantastic and Noble did pretty good as well, but I don't have either of those bots, so it is what it is. Alright, Notify just gave us the heads up that we will have another chance at getting these dunks on Champs. They will be dropping them online at 10 AM, and also another pair of dunks is going to be dropping on Nike sneakers. Hopefully we get some more luck this time around, but since stock is even lower than yesterday, I'm not really expecting it. Damn, I didn't hit on Nike either, bro. Let's see, how many pairs did Wrath get? On Champs? No way. The entire user base of Wrath got 2 pairs. I was not copying this, bro. It was not happening. I had to have won a lottery ticket for me to have got this. I guess this is why a lot of people are leaving the botting scene in droves, because profit margins are just getting smaller and smaller and expenses are getting more and more. But I do have to give it to them. They did crush it on concepts. Doesn't mean you can't make money from botting. It's just really tough. It takes a lot of time and very risky. That's why I personally advise people, if you're in a tough financial situation, taking that risk of going into botting, maybe spending $2,000 or more to first get into it. If you don't hit, then you kind of lose that $2K. And if you can't pay for rent because of that, then you're going to be in an even worse spot. So yeah, that about wraps it up for this release. Absolutely flopped. Ended up with 2 pairs out of these 2 days. So yeah, not exactly the best result, but it is what it is. It is a low stock drop. And next month we do have a ton more releases. So I got to start preparing for those. I'll see you guys in the next one.